So friends, I think you are having problem with your Facebook ID name, for which you are want to change this. So don't worry. Today I brought a video about how to change Facebook ID name with your smartphone. So let's see it. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech of Assistance. Today we are going to know how to change our Facebook name or Facebook ID name. So I will change my Facebook ID name from my smartphone. So let's start. Here we go. I'm clicking on my Facebook apps. After clicking, you can see here login option. I am starting to log in. After logging in, you will see my Facebook homepage, and also you will see three shortened lines at the top of the page, which we call options. You must click on the option. You can see my mouse. If you notice, you will understand where the option is. After clicking, you will see some settings are showing. There are different types of options that you use for different tasks. We will go to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see the settings and privacy. We will click on it. After clicking settings and privacy, some more options will appear. From the options, we will click on settings. You will see that there are different types of settings options. After clicking, as personal information setting, translation for post, Facebook Pay, security and login, etc. From the options, we will click on personal information settings. After clicking, here you can see such as name, email ID, phone number, identity, confirmation, etc. here and many more. Since we want to change the Facebook ID name, we will click on the name. After clicking, the first name, middle name and last name will appear here. Out of these names, we will write the name that we want to give to the new Facebook ID. Here I am entering. After writing, I will click on Review Change. You will see some options how to you want to see your name on Facebook. How will your Facebook name show? Whatever you like, you will click on it. I am clicking on the top since I like it. Then I will give my Facebook password. After entering the Facebook password, I will click on the Save Changes button. Now that our work is over, we will go to the profile on our home page. I will click on my profile on Facebook and reloading it. After clicking, you will see that the name of Facebook has changed. So friends, this is the how you can change the name of your Facebook if you want. If you like my video, you must like and share it. And if you are new on my channel, stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with us until new videos come up.